Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Take a look here. We're looking at Mount Shasta Ski Park. Take our word for it, across the way there is where the lifts are, but no shortage of snow this year, but a lot of weather kind of dampening things, at least at this hour.
Yeah, absolutely. Today would not be the day to be out there on the slopes. I think you'd probably just get lost, right, Jason?
Yeah, we definitely have gusty wind. We have rain in the lowest elevations. We have high elevation snow. It will be lowering between now and Wednesday morning. However, most of our foothill areas are still going to be well in the rain area instead of the snow. We still have lots of clouds outside right now. As we take a live look from our Rattlesnake Peak area, we had a few peaks of sunshine a few minutes ago. That's getting filled in with clouds, and the temperatures, although they're still cloudy outside, it's still warmer than average. Right now, 59 degrees, gusty wind in Chico, 17 miles an hour. We've had gusts up to 31. Areas of light rain around Redding, where it's currently 56. The winds south of 14 also have had gusts up to 21 miles an hour. And Red Bluff, plenty of clouds, light rain, gusty wind, 22 miles an hour. We had gusts up to 30. It's currently 57 degrees. Orville, also lots of clouds, but not quite as windy. 11 mile an hour breezes and 61 degrees, very mild for the first day of February. But it wouldn't be a winter day without more winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. The areas in purple are advisories for Laskin County and Plumas County. They start tonight. They last through Wednesday morning, but not a lot of snow with this one. 3 to 7 inches of snow possible. The areas in blue are our winter storm warnings. Still a good chance for many locations, especially for the southern Cascades and the northern Sierra. Upwards of a foot of snow possible, but most places will have between 5 and 9 inches of snow. And as you can see, everybody's fairly mild for this time of year. Alturas currently 47 degrees. It's 41 in Chester, rainy 56 in Redding, but it's only 36 degrees in Mount Shasta. The wind blowing for everyone. We've had a lot of gusts between 20 and 35 miles an hour. It's going to taper off a little bit once the cold front passes by, but we'll still have more gusty wind tomorrow and some lingering breezes Wednesday and Thursday. And here is that cold front. It's passing over Shasta County and Tehama County right now. So if you're going to be driving north or south on Interstate 5 and a little bit later this evening around 99 or the 70, make sure you drive carefully. We'll have some wet roads, limited visibility in some locations, so make sure you drive carefully and get to your destinations safely. Looking at futurecast hour by hour, here's 10 o'clock tonight. A lot of that rain and high elevation snow will be over the Sierra and the southern Cascades. A little bit quieter for much of the valley tomorrow morning when you head out on your commute to work or school. Has some scattered showers possible. There's a slight chance for some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon, but most places won't have that. It's going to be mainly in the valley and it won't last too long. And then a second impulse comes our way late Tuesday into Wednesday. Another chance for some mountain snow and valley rain. But through the day on Wednesday into Thursday morning, we're going to have fewer and fewer clouds and a big pattern shift for our weather. The amounts of rain that we're expecting for the valley between now and late Wednesday night, most places less than an inch of rain for the valley. The water equivalents for the mountains still looking pretty good though, over 2 to 2.5 inches of water equivalent precipitation. The amounts of snow between 6 and 15 inches. We will take it. We would love to have more. We definitely need it, but not quite as much as our previous storms much of last week. So here's your forecast for the northern mountains tonight. We'll have overnight lows dropping out of the 30s, not too far. Daytime highs, though, will be cooler, mainly in the 40s with rain and high elevation snow. For northeastern California, we'll also have more lows right around the freezing mark. Highs, though, won't be much warmer with more snow in the forecast for Lassen and Plumas counties. Highs in the upper 30s and lower 40s. For the ridge, that snow level is going to stay above most of our communities, but the temperatures will not change very much. Lows near 40 with highs in the 40s and lower 50s, and more areas of rain and gusty wind for the valley tonight, so it won't get too cold. Lows will be mainly in the 40s, highs tomorrow in the mid 50s, certainly not as mild as it was today. In the Chico area, we have lows. They'll be not falling too far, mid to upper 40s. That rain shower activity pushing through the area this evening. Has some gusty wind tonight and again tomorrow afternoon. Highs, though, not as warm, mainly mid to upper 50s for your Tuesday. For the next 7 days in Chico, we have a big change in our weather pattern. Once we get to Thursday, far fewer clouds. Warming trend, too. Highs going to escape the lower 50s and get into the lower 60s beginning on Friday. And for the Redding area, we'll have some gusty wind tonight through Tuesday. Still some lingering breezes Wednesday and Thursday. And once we get to Friday this weekend as well, daytime highs will climb back into lower and mid 60s.
Thanks, Jason. The weekend looks great. First